asamagacho a Uhuru Building asirongolire igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust boigo nabukonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke boigo nabukonyora gwetera ase Rejesimi wetera ase namba enotisa naibere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose wetera ase nambende enoti isano naibere isano nemo inye isano na isato kianda inye eyemo isano na isato.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutui. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu. Sha Ceramics netuka eyeko n'ebintu by'obwagaji au asiligo lirense nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitangi au nabwego kurose chikampani au locks and accessories mbabwate chichogo se toilets echochire chechingenjo au nabwego n'ebintu bikutumikase e bathroom mbabwate kitchen sinks nabwego n'echitap babwate bintu bikokora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites nkonya bale MDF boards konya bale deformed bath chichingenjo au babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire chichingenjo au konya bale boigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets babwate biro byechingenjo au babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde binge ebyo bakonya seliko lirense niko bagutuka ase nyombere manyakanta na Cansons Plaza asebara ya Kisumu imbeyo muchijuiga obusungu asamange naboko bakirisi bigwetera se kinamba cyabo 0703943972.
Magaroba engia na boigo boirebia ninde no kwegena nigo ejuma yago yabeire ya masiseni kigima ekerochoro giri chinsa ibere chabano magarobo mwancho mu ligereria karibu sana korwa chinsemo au ime amona isiko yensi ya Kenya elio imbegingo kumanya yabereka gokolekana korwa chinsemo au asenchira yobwikirano isanso ike na boigo tara na intwe elio tokumanyi ayabereka kwenekirwa korwa chinsemo au ime amona isiko yensi ya Kenya nchani gonkoro kwa Ruth Kemuntoni gotoko bwaterana na Wilson Makori kurugali asensa mu yebimanyelyo kwenekia nkoyenyorore asenchira yobwikirano na boigo na boko kwenda gotobwatia asechinsa mu chemitandao Facebook na boigo YouTube muna Getembe TV elio ogendere kwimanya kolenda nyuma ntara komanya asenchira yobwikirano aya negatia yali na kwareganirie asenchira yobwenye.
Make sure I'm busy over the holiday. Mbaisa kwa wako randa madense na nkong abana baso nyora malito abana baso nyasore abana baso kunywa marua abana to kibiri busy
okoboli yago chasa bible bonsi ko balinda abana babo nenekero bachire aso mutimo ko bwerusa abagusi bonsi nigo bagendete kubolirwa kumubwatese Dr. Fred Matiang'i hasiganga yaye yokolige kirugo cy'uburayi bwense ya Kenya.
Stadium ya Thika nimeweka milioni 900 kutengeneza hii stadium mpya ya kisasa itakayoketi watu 10,000 hapa Thika town.
Mwanchumu ligereria karibu elionkumanyia yu amo na yanda mange asenchira yoboikiranu. Oroboti ruomo Auditor General igoro yobotumeki bw'ekibesa cha NGCDF ase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba meye kaunti ya Nyamira asoburayi bwensemeyu inse yomusike Clive Gisairo wabaire boko mochiwa kubwatekana no gusinyo kwerera bwikiranu igoro yense mugete yekibesa asobobagi bwo mwaka bwekiri bubere na 2024 umwaka bwekiri bubere na 2025 engana yagenderere kungusa ebirengereryo au na mono ase emitandao gweta muri Kito Daniel Ontiri otwalekanire roboti ru asenchira yobwikiranu.
Kitutu Masaba neyemo yechibungenye ime kaunti ya Nyamira. Ebunge erene chiwode isano nemo nekoragwa n'umusike Clive Ombane Gisairo. Kolengana na roboti rumu Auditor General igoro yobotumeki wechibese chikagancha kya NGCDF aso mwaka bwekiri bubere na 2024 mwaka bwekiri bubere na 2025 aso roboti riwa bwatukwa amatuka makaetire mabolio nigasogete kubotekana na maere sabo yobotumeki bw'ekibese chiga na munase basari. Kitutu Masaba nigo mwako yo ya watokeretwe basari isaine shilingi chimilioni 110 chiribu chimikyanda na 99 nase chibese cho chimilioni 44 n'ugutaisano choka na chio chisanegetie kamiti yo kuligiria igoro yobotumeki bw'ekibese na chire na malisiti igoro buna chiabagetwe ne abisi yo Auditor General ekarwa chibabo chiko bwatia abisi y'umusike Gisairo terueti register yaborokigwa baichoretie kwegwa basari balia abanyorete n'ekiskuru bagasoma kabere abisi ga tiyarwete chiminute che kamiti rwase chiwode iyo ekoligeria mangana y'ekibasari na gatatu ense mugete yaborokigwa nigikagire kwegwa egati echilingi chiribu 14 weka chiribu 15 chinga kyabande bakwegwa shilingi chiribu 3 na soroboti rwega wetania shilingi chimilioni 50 mo na isano nemo tichero lekaneti hasi chiatumegete asense mwende bungega nigo yatogete na momocho y'obwagachi botaikireti birengo bibwenerete no mubaromoke bw'ebintu bubwenete kogurwa ase birasi biriya byagache twe no mubeka n'umuya na skuru ya secondary ya Kiendege ase birasi byagache twe byatogete byategete chinyasi bikabekwa chitail ribaga lietarezo na kubeka birogo 53 ribaga libirogo emya magacho no nyenabo abekere twensemo gwetane ya shilingi chimilioni 2 na igo egatebwa kobubotumeki bube bwechebese chinga kechecho mochando yo nigorolekanete ase skuru ya secondary ya St Albert Girango ase birogo 50 mo byagoretwe libaga libirogo 100 mo na ichitirisa chatumegete 10 libaga lichitirisa 20 ichi chabwenete kogura na igo ekaoroki botumeki bube bwechibese chikaganche kyo kya NGCDF obotutukano ubo nigo boiko warolekanete ase skuru ya secondary ya St Paul's Manga ase birogo 50 mo na bibere byagoretwe libaga libirogo 100 mo nense mobene yokogache bitabu techiti kwagachwa no nyemagaga yokubekurense mo wetane shilingi chimilioni 2 n'ugutainye taria yoka korengana no roboti uruiga otutukanu nigo boigo bwenegetiwe ase shilingi chimilioni 10 n'ugutaisa nebere icho chigotebekana chiatigarete ase bengi ase no nyinabo amalisiti aborete yoko enekia kene buna chibese cho chiatigarete ase kegancha nkurubuterega taseni kyagetembe korega ase kaunti ya Kisii literene nguru kwa Daniel Ontiri.
Biamono yawe n'umurikito Daniel Ontiri ase ngencho yo gutwariganira roboti yoruo ase nchira yo wikiranu toko tigana na yu na gusika guchia se oroboti runde buna enchere yemo yokugendera gusira chisemi anene se chinsemo eri kwene kibuna chiskuru anemeye county ya Nyamira njibwate birama bibwate amabati amaya eri kweroberia gusikoroberia aboroki wabwikiranu ase amasomabo ase encherengia nigo litukulia lero engineer Adams Mochenwa wetera asomuroberio ye ugusira chiskuru wetera aso kubwatuka amabati guchia se chinsemo eskuru yoboroso ya etono imeye wadi yabo mwagamo ebunge ya North Mugirango imeye county ya Nyamira nigo ya nyorobokonyi bwa mabati magega yobokonyi uwo nigo obotaneri bweskuru yeiga bwabere bokugokera egetambukerekyo na nigo bono basabira barayibande kubakonya wetera aso kubagashira eskuru yo elikwene kibuna obolendi bwabana naboigo ebirasi bya mbere ase eskuru yo muri geto Fatgad Gisemba otwareganiriro robotiro ase enchira yo wekera
abaibori aborokiwa nabaigo aborokia peskuru yoboroso nabaigo yobomenyo ya etono nigo bare no mogoko monene maiga yabo wikiranirwa eira yamabati 50 korwase omwana siasa oyo korigia oboseneta bwa Nyamira engineer Adams Mochenwa
turi no mogoko monene mambi yabono ekiagera litukorie gore twabwate gende na prize giving stroke educational day twari getaba gani baita banke engineer Adams Mochenwa litukolie gore buna promise tia mabati 50 na raya tukolisi bulero na balimu no tole twensi na baibuli ne committee
ibirasi bune bitwanya orete bitarakorwa na bya promise tia leta mabati na raitu aretire asiri tukolia rero na yari ngeigoro asubwango mono Mochenwa se gange ya yokurigyo boseneta kuna gokonya ari gisukuru gweta gisukuru ejako na kubeke birama na iye tuno nero na yamo yabo asi gisukuru kiriya gendrete gokonya ki program cha Mochenwa ni chinyinge nkurwari bake bitabo bya ICD ase gisukuru gweta
ensemo yaye omwarimu omonene bweskuru yeiga asereta Evans Otara nigo atebire bina omokia omonene oyo barigetie ensemo ya masomo omwaka oeta nero esababu enene Mochenwa abarierete eira eyo aikirania rero
one skuru ye karo Mochenwa igwetu no mwaka oria otwabwata abana emiyemo lakini asa abana emiyemo abana bonsipi 65 bakagenda ki national school ande tali national school ejikire chinke ki national school kiri chinkoro na cyaba alliance
skuru eyiga ya etono egotoka emeye wodi ya bomwagamo emeye bunge ya North Mugirango nigo boigo erino boremerwa aho anene asamagacho ekibono basabire abarayibande boigo weso na negati erio koyekonya
to inyorerie national government wethera CDF batokonye erinde tonyora domwemo tonyora birasi binde bibere naende tobolerio mugabano ito county government batokonye birasi bya ICD erinde mangana yabe bimna bana mache abate challenge na kabeiro toma itio se gajita kabutokera andro goraria to amacha yara korobi weiga na batware koigubia senje ya security na batware sabanga wero wisas tole kanyorunda tanyana mabazi togitiranga fence ya bia erinde abana kabale mababa obia watchman keregeita neyende nya gwetana round kwanyanga security ya bana nero
yumo umwarimu Evans Otara anyirusiri anyikiri go temiras chingu lakini asoko tebekene kya mangana skuru etirarora okoboko we serikali enene abo twali gusabanga serikali enene onye ndinya sala rwancha abakunde wa interfini erinde skuru ene tagete chidema turite bwati nonye ne chicho skuru is a problem efacility na bibwato bolemo lakini infrastructure cha echo gotenenibwa no muchando monene
Hingo reporter getembe koreiga skuru yeiga ya etono eyegotoka imeye wodi ya bomwagamo North Mugirango county ya Nyamira Nche Fatgad Gisemba
Biamono omuliketo Fatgad Gisemba asengencho yoroboti ruto gosuka guchase oroboti runde Whiten gose Whiten atika omusaye w'imyaka yaigatwa kurwa ebunge ya Nyaribari chache meya Kyogoro ase kinyoro kialia ng'ombe nene nabo irachi kumubetereria kugendera gutigara ase nyagitari ya KTRH asegeka kubwatikana no bulimeru obuli asinka yaye eye maiga yere konyora obugwenia na kubwena nabono nigo atangire kubwatikana ne bilioni ne eyure asinya gitari yo na kurengana ne amate yaye nigo bakoira na goteba buna nigo babete bakoni akira ekemu chingaki abwate oburirubo asibono babere bakubuli muntu ndi bwensi naboigo abarai ao bali no moyo bugwancha wesokia na kubakonya ili kumurusia omwanchubo asinya gitari ya KTRH Murikito Dipon Asanya utwariganiryo robotiru asenchira yoboikirano
asegeka gwetania emetinye berebono witen atika tarabera ne amate yaye chinsemo chia Kiogoro ayega nigagocha maiga yere gotangwa asinya gitari kubwatekana no bulemeru gosokuborwa we bilioni gitari chishiringi chiribu emyayemo eyu amate yaye bono yasinyurwe gwakana kubwatekana no bulemeru banene babwata senkejuo
aseli tango Frida Nyanchera wenu mugakono rualite ulebosong chibestia wole akurwera nyegitali
kurengana ne amate yaje enibe nyinge nigo yatumegete anene asuburwalia bwaye chinga kiare asinya gitari nabono nigo baiserwe asebono baruro koboria gochia asebe bali babwato moyo bugwancha nabo igo ogokonya banyari gusira amate ywe asoko basira
keye ntobwati kende umwana kurwa jinya gitari nonje munyane nanye go chionji komora ondu warete nonde iga kenyoreke inyaguta sabrugesen ya ngombe nene ngali bali chaki ende nkeli nkagaki turabata kapi kere ntubwate turaoni nono boli muto jigupi matoni mboyo asa abantu bakoragira tayo
elio banyari gusanga noyo mwabo anyari goikanka ekiagera goikabono niga bwenire kurende chibesa asokubura nigo chiamoirerere kogendera gotangwa asinya gitari
ngwebuna ngo okengo minto no mokonyi wochasi bukusiba minto sabanganya sata kwanja amokuna arama abera enke kyara kenenke yo na kubwata nkonyo mwana oyo okengara mabere gankonyo
kuriga ase chinsemo chia Kiogoro chikotoka ebunge ya Nyaribari chache imeye kaunti ya Kisii eliana igongoro kwa Dipon Asanya
Biamono ya bene umurikito Dipon Asanya asengenche gutwariganiryo roboti oru asenchira yoboikirano Tokusikobosyo gochiase orobotironde esegete nene nigegendete kuruego gochiase abaiboli bonsi kwene kibuna nkobalinda bale bana babo hanene bono ekero bagochanka asomutumuko bwetamwe ntangani ukwana litikulia lero morukyo monene bweskuru ya Etonu ime ye county ya Nyamira nigabeire gakorwa okubolyoku gochiase abaiboli bonsi kwene kibuna nkoba bwatirani bale abana babo asemeremo eli kwene kibuna nkobalinda bale naboigo kubatanga kurwa sabu chinyinge anene ekichira chigosalia amagimabo
naberega ene wiki ya gatatu bono ngubunga tore school abana ngoenda balenka na numaete eganga itenene na academics abana bagorera matemu twabaye report card aibuli morore na abana bakorete na ndimo muri report card na ndimo tu assistie ko mento motisha bakoromukia twaikire twabaira assignment Bauchi okoro over the holiday abana amo make sure mbale busy over the holiday mbaisa kwa bako randa mdense na nkong abana baso nyora malito abana baso nyinya sore abana baso kunywa marua abana to keep it busy na ndana bajo kuigora iga ndo opening exams because academics na itoke to beka mutwe egara abana baito bakuruka iga nyora mbaba certificate chingia na ende mbale prepared to face the challenges of outside school. Igondu na balimu nabe nabeka bali banamo nabeka bali gasiamo esukuru enya what the future challenges there before, but I want to assure the parents nga bono to ajiramo puna balimu na bakoligas bune board puna baiboli to bwatira ne sukuru egende mutwe egende kanene ongule ebu mutu bwadisi abana ba grade 10 mbanto iri bana bujega to ira abana 23 boka lakini sukuru ne bwate capacity odura abana 200 grade 10 igoma bana rororo aibuli maleta abana to basomye baita matemo abagambi baito ngo badese mo bwate kiparada jeino mati aibuli bani abana go chantana secondary school ke gara bone bwata ne bura yobo ya na ende boligeretie kokonye community egenderere mutu imbiro chilapu njiro gidometri njiro na bana batayo yego igotege to supported be na aba yituru chinde be community guys especially be community guys okonyo mwana gota long distance ako school to another school achega abona the new management aibuli mutu bo results
Wanchumo ligereria oyo no morokyo manene weskuru ya sekondari ya Ntana iyo gotoka ime yabo mwagamo kolende tali etono buna na ikagukumanya aboli tanganito goskabosyo omo senator we county ya Nyamira Commissioner Eric Okongo Mugeni nigaganirie umuraibu wense Daktari William Ruto bosyo bwesabali yaye gocha asorogongo ruagusi koerera asobwikiranu ekikiagarete esteni yereri ya STR ya bwenderete gutinina asensemo ya ikonge yabete egekurusiwa gukwana umugeni nigo abeire gagukwanira guse nigo abeire gakumwakira ikoko Dr. Fred Matiang'i asiganga yaye yokurigekero gukyo burayibwense anene asobochori buri busyo asabere gakuburia abantu bonsi wesokya asobunge na kwelikia bunaba kichukura ilikuwa ene kibuna ngo chikumwakira bale Fred Matiang'i chikura asobochori ubu.
Na wewe ulichukua uongozi wa urais ukakuta stesheni ya gari ya moshi imewekwa Nyamira pale Ikonge. Hatuwezi kukubali waza kutudhulumu, uondoe hiyo stage, useme ati tuende kupandia Sotik ama Sondu. Nyinyi wa Kisii mtakubali hiyo? Sisi hatuwezi kubali. Na huwezi kututisha ati unataka kukasirika na jamii ya Omogusi kwa sababu kijana yetu ambaye anaitwa Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i anatafuta urais. Sisi tutampigia kura upende usipende. Kweli ama si kweli? Kweli ama si kweli? Na sisi tunakuambia wewe ujitayarishe 2027. Tutapelekana unyo kwa unyo. Na sisi kutoka Nyamira tunasema Ruto ni one. Kabla ututembelee, kitu ya kwanza utakuja utuambie gari ya moshi itasimama Ikonge ama haitasimama. Hiyo ndio sauti ya Omogusi. Tuko pamoja watu wangu. Kwa hivyo mimi namalizia kwa kuomba wananchi wangu wa Nyamira mchukue kura, kwa sababu 2027 tuko na vita ya kutafuta uongozi ya urais. Kwa hivyo mtafute kura, wakihesabu wale wananchi ambao wamechukua kura mingi, Kisii tuwe namba 1. Hapo tuko pamoja. Tutawaleta watu hapa mashinani. In the next 1 month watu wa kushika kura watakuwa kwa vijiji.
Timothy Arege umwanasiasa kurwa ebunge ya Kitutu Chacha North me county ya Kisii nikabaire gakuburia umugusi bwensi kumubwatesia nabaigo gusuguma iganga yaye Dr. Fred Matiang'i asobochoria bonene buri busyo gukwana emaragoba ya lero asebirero imeyeronge ewodi ya Munyerero Arege nigo chinga kicho aboririe abamenyi bense meyo kwenekeligwa amagenderero wanchiriria konde bwensi gutayo
Ngoligine gerogo kyo bujumbe 2027 niki sababu chikogera ngo boligi obujumbo obone chinke yenze getanga ni tu atebetenga financial bill lindo yetageti mujumba ga meridia ga kikuro ya tolete irobo tako bonene to umiete bakabona yetage to monto mare mo gochoka ni president nga ya yeke nekibe oininje na morigere tishaya to itire pi twaelire pi yeta ke to mumromo le mo gote bi president ngege ngeitira banta batakansa ali asturuete steady waigo inde tayari gokori gasi iyo ege to nenda to kwani ani kisemi cheita bana baita miasta boka uchi university ngaro mu chumba kadanga twakoriro mukia kabisa awe agege kuba ndate ko te baiga abana miasta ekerengo ya kubwatu bora yobo ine skuru yemo weti abana miasta tiri constituency ngima
Mwanchomo ligereria oroboti urunero gutoira asensamentangani ye kiunga chinsa ibere kurende asege kageteri getambe ntoirane elio ngendere gukumanya na mangi na beringu kwariganiria egati yabo chinkwana chabarai au kurwase kiama gya ODM Linda Ground na boigo Linda Mwananchi to basa kuskale ayu amuna yenda mange nekero twarure omutima komoke.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV rero ili wimanye na mangana watika kira chingake ase channel ya YouTube ya Gatembe TV nigo tokukora live streaming ya mangana maya chi video ne bipindi bya Gatembe ao ngakiende yonse inyuranga ngwetera ase official channel ya Gatembe TV. Subscribe, comment ase chi video cheto boigo share na basani amune amate ili baigokie wemanye na wesemia tubase kweba turn on a notification bell yani ekengere ilio onyari kubagoko ya nyora chingaki abikiri ase omtandao Gatembe Television Network ekinakyo ekeunga kia mwamogusie. Sha Ceramics netuka eyeko n'ebintu by'obwagaji au asilikolitense nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitanki au nabwego kurose chikampani au locks and accessories babwate chichogo se toilets echichire chechingenjo au nabwego n'ebintu bikutumika se e bathroom babwate kitchen sinks nabwego ne tap babwate bintu bikokora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites nkona bale MDF boards kona bale deformed bath chichingenjo au babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire chichingenjo au konya bale boigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets babwate biro byechingenjo au babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde binge ebyo bakonya selikolitense nigo bakutuka ase nyombere manyakanta muna Cansons Plaza ase bara ya Kisi Kisumu imbe yomuchijuiga obusungu asamange naboko bakirisi bikwetera se chinamba cyabo 0703943972. Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo asomo chando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkokwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwensi asedi golidense kegima mbabwate sema sabana bakubutera nabo igokogosereria obokoreri bwabo no bwabwango nando bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imejo mucho Kisi asamagacho a Uhuru Building aselirongo lire igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust boigo nabukonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke boigo nabukonyora gwetera ase nchera yesimi wetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera asina mbende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutui. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Mwanchomo ligereria karibu nande asensemo ya kabiri yekiunga chinsa ibere elio ngendere gukumanya abarai au kurwa asi chinsemo au nigo bagendete kumwakira Daktari Fred Matiang'i koko nabaigo kubolia bagusi bonsi asobwamo kumubwatesia elio gwikira eganga yaye ukwana kurwa asi chinsemo cha ibencho litukulia rero nigo abarai au babiri bakubolia abagusi bonsi wesokia na kubwata chikura elikoene kibuna ekero engakio bucholi raike nigo barachikumwakira Daktari Matiang'i ekura Murikito Gilbert Kobi otwareganeirie orobochurwo
Nime ase amatangayemo arenga sensemo ya ibencho sengera boso timu ya machoge chache ase ababwatana boyigo abari kururumbi abanyako bagwesokia sobunge siasa tipolitia sayu ase bali babesokia abanyako bakweresera obuya wabali bahunyako bagusira ase chinchira ao
oyagi nyandirija ole commissioner nya litransohia commissioner niga alengeretinga 2027 coming ngoja kubahoria rekero kyo governor iga Kisii County kera wana natembea gari arore biashara ibuna bigokoru
ogosirwa no kuranirwa kwa Matiang'i muno murwanirwe kirwo kyo president ngwanya ko bagogotiboka aroro ase oyomo bwabaria bakurwanire kirwo kyo obojume bwa machoge chacha ko bagoteba nga okugwatana na gusira Matiang'i negento kingenja somo gusi
kampeni za 2027 za mzee Matiang'i ama president wetu in 2027 wana wantu wa minto tata idukwa na mangana mange yona leo tebe gente kamonga team yaba machoge yachakire kwe organize team tego twara wantu 12 go 13 bali mwanji to mopira team were coordinated ebwata wantu 11 na coach yae igo ntasibo machoge tuachakire kowe wa identify gose kwe choka elinde ekerewe ka 2027 eto kinga tawa sie timu ya itere buya ekobwate somo kaka Matiang'i ende koleta president Kenya mbane kama wote abanga Matiang'i na to kole president 2027 abangi na mwanje tamangana hiyo abanga mwanje era ndene yo mogusi ndolo chokwa na siasa ntambe lakini tote abanga aba machoge na itu no tole nyuma ya Matiang'i
nigo baragie kiara oboteneneri nabo igo borai wensemo ya machoge chacha sabate biremuna okurigirira gunkoro ase ngencho enseme itegunyara ko bagego tokase amangana amagazeti kera chingaki igoro asobube
ngana sasa lekerete na aronto nyarosie munabona tarehe 17 mwa rachinga seti chigote banga machoge na leo keriete basari ase bali ikomi bagete basari abana bagete fees mboma choge yete fees igombu yego sembobe emora chitoro go sembobe ogete
baraibande manyara ko bakweresera nga nonya abarwaneri barabange okuyigwana ngicukuna ko bagogocharo elio abarwaneri bonsi barasensema yibayikire batano na babere ase kinga kikigwa cyukuna ko bakuyigwana elio manya ko bagwesokia
kwebanga tolenga kitokomera na pasta moto sabera nika tokomerna chinkwana chiwane elinde tomanya ngakinga kitokora toko chokora iwabo machoge mbo baisa kogenda uchietebe botari coordinated
chese omondo kurukujese igawata omurata nobere anga wata nobere no omubweka uchita nachikurwani Goliati akamuita oyo omubweka iyo chikurwani Goliati nambo iyo omubweka no uri wakera maguta anasai
ararenge kurwase ekenyoro kya ibenjo sengera bosoti bu machoge chache county ya Kisii ngori woterege temba muri Taneje Gilbert Akobi
Biabono umuriketo Gilbert Kobi asengencho yoroboti yoruna boigo umuraibwense ya Kenya Daktari William Ruto litukulia lero niga koletaro ase chinsemo cha Kiambu ase abagagwe kirania kusina kolia chira cha magendero ase chinsemecho ukwana kurua ase county yo nigo aberiga kubulia baraibonsi anana bali bakwamereria serikali kurua libaga kucha serikali enyariko bakego kole mirimo kucha se aba Kenya.
Stadium ya Thika nimeweka milioni 900 kutengeneza hii stadium mpya ya kisasa itakayoketi watu 10,000 hapa Thika town. Sikizeni bwana. Kiambu hoye! Kiambu hoye! Hii stadium kabla ya Disemba hii stadium itakuwa imekamilika. Ile sherehe yenu ya Jamhuri mutafanyia katika hii stadium ikiwa imekamilika. Kiambu tunaelewana? Mimi nawauliza watu wa Kiambu, mnasema tuendelee na kazi ama unataka hao watu watuletee kisirani na upuzi na mambo ya ukabila? Tuendelee ama tuendelee? Kiambu tuendelee ama tuendelee? Hebu nione wale wanasema tuendelee, 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 tuendelee. Kiambu hoye! Kiambu hoye! Ndio mimi nawaambia watu wa Kiambu, mimi siangalii nyuma, mimi siangalii kando, mimi naangalia mbele, kwa sababu mimi ninaamini hii Kenya kwa mapenzi ya Mungu tutaibadilisha kwa miradi na mipango ya maendeleo, na tukisimama pamoja bila ya ubaguzi, bila ya ukabila na bila ya chuki. Mimi nawauliza kiongozi, mnamchagua kwa sura yake ama kwa kazi yake? Sura ama kazi? Sura ama kazi? Ukabila ama kazi? Fitina ama kazi? Matusi ama kazi? Si kila mtu anachaguliwa na kazi yake? Si mimi William Ruto nitakuja niseme kazi yangu ya stadium, ya affordable housing, ya markets, ya hostels, ya barabara?
Mwanchumo ligereria oroboti ruwa Daktari William Ruto na rogotokolera mangana maya asenchira yobikiranu obotuko bwalero kulendekero charagire chinsa inyana lentoirane elio tokomanya yande asenchira yobikiranu kulende asige kagetari egetambe ntochikomerana nere engineer Justus Onsongo Mochoge oyole omuncholia na boigo mwana siasa korwe bunge ya Kitutu Chache South ase turachigukwanira mange anene siasa ime yerira balia gusito basokusukale asengencho nkoirana tore ase kagetari egetambe elitogendere gusanga mange ayagendete kwenekiwa anene kurwa se sector ya siasa ime yerira balia gusi nchani konkoro kwa Ruth Kemunto tumerane ase kagetari egetambe.
Sha Ceramics netuka eyeko n'ebintu by'obwagaji au asilikolire nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitanki au nabwego kurose chikampani au locks and accessories babwate chichogo se toilets echochire chechingenjo au nabwego n'ebintu bikutumika se e bathroom babwate kitchen sinks nabwego ne tap babwate bintu bikokora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites nkona bale MDF boards kona bale deformed bath chichingenjo au babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire chichingenjo au kona bale boigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets babwate biro byechingenjo au babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde binge ebyo bakona selikolirense niko bakutuka asenyumbere manyakanta muna Cansons Plaza asebara ya Kisi Kisumu imbeyo muchijuiga obusungo asamange naboko bakirisi bigweterasa chinamba cyabo 0703943972. bono lishirika lya ubwanjete lya Getembe Television Network ama na Getembe FM nigo lyakoretero bokoreri bwayo gucange nasore tutarere imiye nyombe lya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani asebale kuruchinsemo cha Kisii kogenda Kisumu agene nyumba ya M Taylor ilio tunyara ko batogusangamo naye na gukina nyabunegisaku kyomugusi. Getembe FM na Getembe Television Network ekeneke unga kyama mugusi. Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate misangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday misangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gose ekinyoro kinyomo inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino imijiga ao bunabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega asirigo lidio gotugutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba manyi bitabo bare no manyi wigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigo gwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigo yakisi migwitira namba 07 41499726 Peak Dental Clinic nenya gitalie kurubo gwene bwabo asomo chando bwa maino igo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koya sivya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkohwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bwachogete enya gitalie nige kurubo kale bwensi asedi golidense kegima mbabwate sema sabana bakubutera nabo igo kogoserelia obokoreri bwabo no bwabwango nendo bwikiranwa wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imejomo cyo Kisii asamagacho a Uhuru Building asilirongo lire igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust wigo nabukonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke wigo nabukonyora gwetera ase nchera jesimi wetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye ose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesato kianda inye eyemo isano nesato.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutui. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu. Sha Ceramics netuka eyeko n'ebintu by'obwagaji au asiligo lirense nkonya bali mirror and cabinets asebabwate aluminium and accessories mbabwate mirango y'echingenjo au mbabwate chitangi au nabwo kurose chi company au locks and accessories babwate chichogo se toilets echichire chechingenjo au nabwo n'ebintu bikutumika se a bathroom babwate chi kitchen sinks nabwo ni chi tap babwate bintu bikokora plumbing au babwate marbles and granites nkonya bale MDF boards konya bale deformed bath chichingenjo au babwate bathtubs babwate tiles echichire chichingenjo au konya bale bwigo ebintu bunabono wall to wall carpets babwate biro byechingenjo au babwate gypsum pots chisimiti amabati egati ebintu binde bingi ebyo bakonya serikolirense nigo bagutuka ase nyombere manyakanita muna Cansons Plaza ase bara ya Kisumu imiyo muchiyiga obusungu asamange naboko bakirisi bigwetera se kinamba cyabo 0703943972. Omugusi bono liri shirika lya obwanjete lya Getembe Television Network ama na Getembe FM nigo lyakoretera obukoreri bwayo gucanga nasore tutarere imiye nyomberi ya Uhuru Towers lirongo litangani ase bale kuruchinsemo cya Kisi kogenda Kisumu agene nyumba ya M Taylor iryo tunyara ko batogosangamo naye na gukinanya bunegisaku cy'omugusi. Getembe FM na Getembe Television Network ekeneke unga kyama mugusi. Ne noganye gukorerwa live streaming ase chipejo cha social media cha Getembe nubwate imisangirikano ya gisiasha amatanga chinyangi chibirthday mesangirikano yechikanisa baby shower anniversaries gozi ekinyoro kinyoma inyangi usuko kwa kuyomino emijega ao munabono housewarming parties engagement parties igatie binde bige bono Getembe Television Network nero ego kwayega asirigolidio gotukutera ninchwe omurikirwe ye masege munaba munyibita bobale nobo manyibigoro igeti byetibwate signal ere enkongo igwikira abantu bange asubunge asamange onye kuganiti omurikirwe nabukulika jumbenge wigwitira semeria WhatsApp gosigu yakisi bigwitira namba 0741499726. Peak Dental Clinic nenyagitalie kurubo gwene bwabo aso muchando bwa maino nigo bakurubo kale bwabo buna okorusia maina lya bwato muchando koyasibya komenterwa amaino asebalia agogete nkohwenya bale chininti nabo igongo ticha bara maina lya bochogete enyagitalie nige kurubo kale bwo bwensi asirigolire nsekegima mbambwate nsema sabana bakubutera nabo igokogosorelia obokoreri bwabo no bwabwango nando bwikirano wigo ngokora bale scanning chimashini chabo ni chibirongo bigoro nigo bagotoka imeyo mucyo Kisi asamagacho a Uhuru Building asirirongo liri igoro yebengi ya Kenya Women Finance Trust boigo nabukubonyora gwetera ase website yabo ya www.peakdental.co.ke boigo nabukubonyora gwetera ase nchera jesimi gwetera ase namba enotisa nebere kianda ibere inye eyemo kianda isano isato inye gose gwetera ase nambende enoti isano nebere isano nemo inye isano nesatu kianda inye eyemo isano nesatu.
Hello everybody, my name is Dr. Emily Mutui. I am the Chief Dentist and you're welcome for professional dental services. We offer all the treatment that entails the teeth. We do fillings, root canals, extractions, replacements, teeth whitening, and also cleaning of the teeth. You're welcome. God bless you.
Peak Dental Clinic, expert in dental care. Karibu.
Mwanchumo ligereria habuna na kumanyia abulitangani into bwata mugeni ase studio oyoikire ase nyumba elio tobeto kwana mange anene kurwalgalia ase nsemo ya siasa torenga nararia gendete kwenekiwa kurwa ase cha siasa ase chinsemo au imeyense ya Kenya anene mono ekarato kuligereria liro balia gusi. Karibu sana engineer elio nabogoto kwanya.
Karibu sana. Welcome to studio.
Thank you so much for coming. We are glad to have you.
Thank you.
Karibu sana ina Getembea TV. Na bogo kwani mwanchumo ligereria omotabi na kyokurukwa egere togenda.
Twancha bwenza simwabeta bali mulense sema ya gusi na Kenya nda diaspora na bali mulense sema ya youth abakwandia simaro ya lero likulia Friday mbia muri mwensi. Ande nche onkuru kumu engineer Justus Muchoge. Seito no town yunandi ondeka.
Iga bano wale say no montaro wache.
Ko gatore tweka mugia gitutu jaje south. Aige station yigari. So literally I'm just at home. Literally income kitutu jaje south. And abomenye nenya tiko. Wengine nyatike school.
Abanye roje.
Kana on the station meno holding ingu chuma choge. About that na sigiti. At least everybody knows me. So kwa kirambia mama tuwatrane aso sema ya siasa.
Yes. Anene as interest yo mugusigo so mwanchumo ligerio torigere tiskali na bo briefly yako tatebinga engineer ningo anene krato tutaraso as siasa. Engineer Justus.
Engineer Muchoge, I prefer to be the Muchoge. Engineer Muchoge. Abana nabatebya no mu byaro bagetutu. Seito nyatieko. Ansomete primary schools Nyatieko. Sekyoge primary. Karonga ende national school in Kisumu. From Kisumu to the university. Kakora Kororo. Ende ngasoa sesema ya siasa. Matuko atalimake.
Na no gendrete kubera siasa.
Once you are a politician, you will always be a politician. And the Karora Arwa so we go Wednesday and you always prefer Koinwa Navana siasa. So we started the politics secretary school, Australia College in 1991. So Karwani Renseme ya 1991, 1992. Ekaromant Party go to Kenya. Part and parcel ye team you youngsters to support Renda Banta. And literally from that time, now Veira since your activism, Machiko na Kenya cross Bunonde, Caravan Tobago activism was a new constitution ya Kenya, year 2010. We were there, we started it in 1994. All the time to achieve a campaign ya siasa. Wananchi barato wekire kandi batote birinto isaini, and you know there is various factors wananchi baragote berito to isaini was no muntu mo bakobeka. And up to this time, and we haven't given up. You only give up. Karo okoeni kukuwa.
Mheshimiwa amangana manga abiri gakoene kiwase siasa asama tukabwanguiga usasama tukaitira makeigo twarorira mangana mangi gakoene kiwase siasa anene ase siasa chiricha abantu abanene echa omurai wense abarai ba opposition twarorire bakoererani ni peni kupe oyotebeke ya ba okongusana no konene kwa bere gokoene kiwa ase siasa timetinga. What is your take concerning siasa chabe chikoene kiwa nene ekero twarucho omurai wense ya Kenya paka yekite akurama abarai bali ba opposition na opposition abarabo bairaneri?
Well, opposition imbare, for example, opposition ere unatotebe. Ekeronkororo mheshimiwa, the president wakwiranirania.
Na baraibali bakwamelia serikali.
Monomone kara wakwiranirania. No murayo yo mukuru kwa Rigathi Gachagua. Tindi utaka weso hiyo.
Okay.
Because these are the same people who are also from the same tree, from the same soil. They know they have been together. Wakenya mbanchite bakabaye serikali 2022 August. They have been together as baitanira bokuramana kwabo. Some of us into when to go so you're but there are people who we can no example I have never heard nana ku mheshimiwa Kalonzo Musyoka gakora mumo. I have never heard mheshimiwa Fred Okengo Matiang'i akora mumo. And muisonde karali kwiraniria mheshimiwa the president is really restraining himself. It pains him to answer him because he respects the presidency. Therefore, that tells you language ya tari yokora. Nana koigo muske yuchino wa maro gakora munde. Muntu manye dokorama no mheshimiwa Gachagua no mheshimiwa Ruto. Because I've done politics with him, mheshimiwa Ruto. I knew him from 2005. ODM. When we formed, some of us came from a wing mheshimiwa Raila, the rate. So we have traveled together. So I know him. I've worked with mheshimiwa president very closely. Namorentry functions here either when he was the deputy president or when he was a minister. So I know the kind of person yatake kurama buna ararame. However, in total, example bakoro the younger generation tiringia. Abantu bagwenda kupinshana in terms of age sera. Bintu bya nembwate kesi mokonga serikali this what I'll do. Junande serikali mipango ya ne serikali nereye. I promised you 2022 ekeneke na akolireke tinda akoleke. My openness of course is on the very tinda akoleke neke, but that is their way of understanding, but my focus ya nege nerega. Lakini ukurama na kulia Peter Linda wasiko yana limba tebibu na one of the leaders here kanisa batebya. Ile ni upuzi na tena ni utoto. Yes.
Right, akira tokwira na siasa cia gusigiga. Twarurire abaragia bangi bagutebana anano mugavana gwi county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati abangi batebire ngo support yale Matiang'i na abandi batebire tari go support Matiang'i. What is your take on that?
To the best of my knowledge, Governor yaito Muske Simbarati.
Yes.
Gare nsemo ya tutam. Na ndi I support Muske William Ruto. So the idea ya Matiang'i doesn't come in. I know you kwa nabo tama idi yako. Rageko gara ibikorubya ibyo spi ebya tutam. Twale gutara mwisonde na Matiang'i gara to gocha tauniga etwanyara to security stadium. Twanyara to security wa paraga iga. Yeah. That's not somebody who would kuba support. Iliya kabere noena so DM yaye igaro murengo uli tutam. Yaro murengo uli bali together no buru. Bagoteba again very extremely clear gelina gi mbatage to support Ruto for tutam. So ibiroge ibinde na negotiation yende na barakore. Lakini kiliye kenene
nkabere.
Barago nkabere. So therefore such a person
the
idea yo that I'm support yale Matiang'i, that's a lie. It's not supposed to be entertained. Kinegentege kego so whatever. I varende yes was this democratic right.
Sure.
You will support you. Person he feels is akubwatisi. Ubuno bose buri twa Rwanda tabari tukabe kwekera so tati Muske Simbarati even when the wave is against him alimeni kulimenia no musimamo and we will defend his right to support him on that again. Yeah, that is okay.
Isaidinge kirago so as a government no kamagusu no koleta magendera seriro bali agusi. According to you, bunara as a government can we say nga gusi to anyorera magendero gwetera asere kobera as a government?
Muntu gukwana negaro na gukamari no bolimo
igotara gama
ai korora mabera yi
na yorante mheshimiwa igokamire
ai kwanyarori
nja sense moyane nabona tebe na yaro ndigo sitinda yaro
gango ndotebe iga okobera se serikali na nalio rarenta magenderero. Number one, as a person you participated as a constitution yenya we started it in 1994 kama tuachagite kento tukuruga katiba tuitakayo ama Kenya tuitakayo. And out of that, our leader at that time was the former retired Chief Justice Koroko William Tunga, wengine bao Makau Mutua, and the rest of the group. Katiba iri tuwa Rwanda from 1994. Finally tukainyora 2010. Ya rusiti chinguru chibintu biri twari kuruka moi na roadside declaration biri montago jote na parote bana rentire kinije president na rentire tukabirusi byons piororo tukabira se budget ende tukachiaba bunge wana babunga aba of course the government will be able to make a budget na bakonyarosi it goes through all the stages lakini the final authority as a budget yawa ababunge bari tocho chorete. So onye gutagete kintu kiawe chiko koruna serikali from public participation ngende kirabe kwase ki program je serikali kichi achire parliament that is the end of the story. Ona gente kumonta go chapara dana tiganso serikali no majority abange babo bali batana tiganso serikali na linda agendere go kama igintu nkira bisita obubimbora agendere go kora maega kaiga atatagitie serikali yiye mubwate because nkororeka nari go support ye serikali because osakubwatia sheria go tabana once budget ya rosi everything goes as but the budget and the president tubwene dikwa igwenda besejinde chikale extra aucha go tabana ki na rentire no serikali programs diche serikali kiria manifesto kiria bachepatirie ko gampo na ya etetie ikagenda through the government machineries binte budget ikarosi binte bikabekwa system and that's the end of the story na kile region ye country ye da kiro muntu wa kanale tax anye para ge krosi kisi tige pare ndera osigunyira kabisa tige pare ndera osigueldoret tige ndera osiguturkana tige ndera osigumandera tige ndera osigumalsabit tige ndera osigutanaliba tige ndera osigu Mombasa lakini yakerogo chote beda warosi libere gusi umana utika abantu batanaliba ayo wenda tego staki wo usina kole president yo be impeached because you are going against katiba equity na fairness takire ko kuboro umubwekano Totewe gavana ya tebire tutamugare serikali ngo kamare.
Yes.
Mwaka next year serious campaigns are starting from at least August. Unde bwenzi utageta kwa declare kiro na yaga declare unde utageta kwa side ground na yaga side ground yanza kubeka machinery ya ground. Mwaka uyu tigaru toyo yo mugochakira June mpaka June next year. Kere campaign yegenderete. Project kiwoja gochaka nendo kule. I remember some 2 years ago. Tuanyorete delegation kurugaiga yaba usiba spiritas bakagendel Kakamega se president yarenge.
Yes.
Bakagenda oro. And I'm told gaba tebetia mangana kiwanja yasuneka forget about it. Usi mubwati bolemo. Okorosiwa ndikina kerusi liona kire krigolis. Nobody raised a finger. Isipokuwa buna toko iwa was not there. Mheshimiwa senator ya Kisii.
Richard Onyonka.
Agacharinde gusiaga totebie para kurusotiki kunyegale ibale paketa onya daraja moja. This is 2 years. Ise twagatebe tugendekyo. Bare itira goraki.
Tiragaliwa.
Twaje tato gatebwa ibintu mbere chipaki ji nakimochuro ke chiba chagete mase skuli ya chagete chichikwa gachuneli ari kwa gachusirunga galia industrial parks tugate bwana karongo eta sirunga galia onkorora ne gatongo gete keralia na kanyomba kamo the same way aigichi arati batebete nangwa gachuro sukuchibu machogega so literally unamenyete bone kitutu chaje sauti ga tindara para do ene yera ya chire no ene yemo egere mbara kumanyana kiba kamire town yitubnira tindara bese serikali chia chiraiga chikubwate city county government chipari chire within municipality megaiga chibe ku hospital makose chibe ku kaplo I haven't seen any tindaro ra project yesterday afadhali ujintebe county. I can see some few love roads chia kwa I can see some few things chia kwa chia kwere ndi chia maji. But from the national government yogo kama we governor Tindara, they keep on telling us about the cancer center ya Rukwa. This cancer center yeah chibesi chia with somewhere very far chikachakwa by the former governor Mheshimiwa Ngwai Uhuru akabeko Buroso ndo Mheshimiwa oyo nde Ruto neraga akabeko Buroso bwa kabere just a repetition of what the previous thing. So Tindara kende wane kemo and party mbaya nili na matuko ayaliri chances are na be tamu iyo Mheshimiwa Ruto koyera for 5 years Tara project ya Kenya Kwanza ina mavera ya taraka no kuseka gukamwa awaju gukamanya kende ngake ine ngombe ya gasi tika
Kanyara ngombe ya kire jinta
ose ngombe uchi kama ya gwaka jinta ya tata yigure bororo weze teko tiyo so something like that. Yes.
Twarorire Mheshimiwa mostly twarorire chi campaign na tugotebanga chi campaign ngochaka chire next year officially waniga we cannot sing a campaign chigendrete asinaro chi campaign chigendrete gokorekana anene geigasiriro bali usi timetinga sorry according to you chi campaign is there a way chira affect ya magendero gokorekana ase umwana inchi wose chi campaign na bachigo koru na nda magendera agendere koeneke
well Litanga ni mangana ya magendero. Either the county government or the national government. Gongo tebege ntukiaro rekantri go chaka is the presidential campaign. And the presidential campaign don't baya chakire because it's only one-sided. That one-sided digere and same ya the current government. Because opposition there are a candidate. The moment the entire opposition was alternative government, it got one candidate.
Sure.
And it wants to cover that candidate. Where is your manifesto? Kimolenga red go to kumubuli bon. Because kumubuli bon ata ni school if amisini go kwagacha. Onya kerera the current government can implement it. Because no what the chibese no what the kanje serikali. So what ina machi ngoja korosi aralia and they will do the same. At the end of the day mo ikachikura you have nothing to what kendo uja kubata bina ki this is what we shall implement. No. Oh no. Opposition no kuimanyikani among the people. And at the moment Togo Chakuru because I'm one of them. Togo Chakurua one candidate. So the rest will assist in terms of manifestos, Korosi manifesto, duration in a kira ave kiango, one this manifesto nero, bago chere campaign. One I know bago to tevina ki abantu the current government ya tevete neaga cheviras elfu miamoja. Karoto wagete sabu yoite waga jete visarasi amisini. So into kwere serikali ntorwe evirasi miambiri. Get the point.
Yes, sure.
Pare tora chikorosi chiriga naiga omkopo tora ta keto kabese to kora magendri chirabe chinga naiga. So that is the time we shall charge that individual oliogo chakobe kwali na nere the opposition candidate because everything is koba upon you montoyo nere to kanso koboli naki. What is your manifesto? Na kiorengere tikorosia serikali. Na kiorengere na liarato tevi na kiondo chikorosia serikali yane na ivyami bindi to water ndi to korosia coalition kili kiama Kenya Regi Minister sibe chinenchiri chi permanent secretary torosia serikali yerini torosia serikali nge torengere tikorusio affordable housing emo ko affordable housing tunyerusia osinto kunyerusia ose shifa ose ne shai tunye reform osinto kunye reform ose to kunyerusio yonzi. That is the time we did that alternative government. So, in terms of campaign, Montondo jo campaign is the president. Literally, kita manganovis. Akabeka kando. Agachaka campaign. And I don't think now, I tell you, Liaro, City, into Viaga Koraka, technocrats, Bakole, and Agasway campaign. Was original with the matin sa Kisumu Siaya Migori rero ngikwa muiwari Kiambu ari na tati to yo gusinanga gakora kuri gusiya ndi Kiambu aguru Kiambu I can tell you for free kumwe you Mandera kumwe you Mombasa kumwe you Reve everywhere. So literally he's busy campaigning and the reason why he's campaigning because he's losing.
Ono kani wisenga chitale chichumura ibwenze era kwa moigwa Kisumu Mandera mna gwate abagocha gocha kani wisenga chitale chi nchibwata positive impact wacha so mwananchi okomenta nkoro wacha so mwananchi osere umunyene na bwate benefit
okomenta ase mwananchi igero rumustin semeyemo.
Okay.
Andonzi ase president yakogenda team nere gutanga no
sure
like the NIS security yae so onya baru gocha gusi security ye gutanga no gusi ki hoteli bakorara ari abantu bagusi abaranyore baonie mandazi
banyore na
ndagera abantu banyore two abantu mbere bakurusi wa ibinyora wao uja sumugutano we president baringo ngolento bale bayo 500 bayo 1000 bayo 2000 depending in the barimba nyore
biriya yu ngochere yaba
you see that is great inero the common mwananchi ara benefit lakini again to wrong term tinkiroji because ibintu byonse pio president yakorire gekoronji yaronji ntwana koreka kabi
bikoera
materialize so for example you was here na linga was here sometime last year
yes
agata the expansion here ba into chetobeke junction here ito gamba beke bypass amini mbabeke fraoba agata bimba chaba ba expand pare uchura agata nende bano banchira ndege tigia suneka nende ngeje ba kira ndege kya gachu karona de suneka muisonde sana na rocho aiga tara chambisi ito chifrao watu atebetu chiko bigoro tijiro karona kuru Nairobi ngeta ke umbugo tirimbuga ga kuru keroka para wadito kubeke biro we can't drive at night because otherwise turaso tumnichiga otherwise pali ringale ni ya Kisumu cha Kisia kwenda Migori it's a wide road so yaro situ na Nuru can drive any other time lakini pale very dangerous ni yo chakira daraja moja sita ogende Keumbu ogende Keroka ogende baka Soti and unfortunately we Kasoti Keroka enda Kericho yerengale Keroka enda Bomet
yegalete
lakini Keroka ikromo bako yo bakuruka na Soti goja gusi
gasi yako
at least twari kubwatike gusikirike kore toratewe naki abagusi no muliro twalimetie
umurayi bwense natakire gocha bali gusi last week lakini kaba postponed nande sabali yaye bado nebangire umutinyoka nengocha rasiliro bali gusi few months ago narenge Kisi narengiriro bali gusi akatebanga tumetenga kibesagete kigo cha gukora 1 2 aseriro bali gusi nande bono ngochare ebyatebete bikiraniwe birekirana nande munango munesa bali yabangite nande gocha aseriro bali gusi bono kandi wisenga at least bono ntobwate hopes ntobwate okwigenanga munago chikwirana nande eri akabiri gocha aseriro bali gusi ani naso mutinyo yiwo gocha kandi wisenga bono at least ndotwale hope nga ntochikonyora amagendro gete wetera so gocha kwaye gocha aseriro bali gusi
number 1 personally
yes
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Why?
This time ya elire liya kabere na ngabone twaro chibiri ya promised last year no ebinde bigendrete byikire gati ibona bogo twara hope na kinacha atebe gente kyao ngikige chake I can remember umuske Kibaki tale ku State House ende no amenyete tale gotara
yes
lakini he had competent ministers have no you agriculture have no you education have no you health even things were moving tani ras me president Yerue State House ye ground once in 3 months once in 2 months you can because na embuo na bogotara lakini tani ne ko karoli wa gotara na lia magendera gocha no ono ranyora para ya ruru contractor ya on side, must the president come there? No. It's not necessary. So bono ugutara we welcome him. Ani to sabaliria chire bantu baranje kogenda oro mushangirie bali ba supporters bae.
What does it mean?
Jitingo chyo. So balia bagendo bali batai ku support ya they have no business kogendo aya mbaba skogendo baraskona kunyara weta na kero monta ndago taba 2 term onyore bwibiro atabire 1 term the process yonya wakirweko eko so hakuna haja so bali bagukwa na yoro ya 2 term bakoreki bagendo Kisii or Nyamira is part of Kenya. Our president is His Excellency the President Dr. William Ruto until August 2027. That's when kisabu naki tunywali serikali ngao ya soi wanyete ngao teyo and maybe nyorome komentiru. Lakini from the look of things comment kwa enoko. Nangu na kuligere I might be wrong.
Kubaida ino mwana siasa kero gukwa nego itimisinga kwa rorire.
Nabonda render wrong. Lakini from the way kuligerelia na if the opposition unites under one candidate and the opposition ni wa kwa naiga anybody raegwe amini Jubilee I'll prefer Dr. Kengo Matiang'i akoreki aiwe because amini Jubilee yes however usakonyora tied because of one or two other reasons.
Sure.
For example, na Mheshimiwa Kalonzo. The rest of us of opposition, we shall be there. We shall not think twice.
More support.
To support because that's where we believe. Some of us now TV originally na colleagues no Mheshimiwa. Na mutari ruonega. So I understand him. He's a friend of mine. He'll call me from any distance. You'll see me. He'll call you an engineer. I even watch it. What has happened. So it's one we know one on another. But when it comes on national issues, even to be and say, I love my country more than I love a particular individual.
Okay.
So there's a lot of damage this government call it as one inch. So giving him another extra 5 years, it's navenga bana etwetinde kama pema for that time. So therefore, I'll prefer to amotemire miaka 5 to aroriro ototo bwaye. So it will be better Pratemunde. But take among the presidential candidate. They are not angels. Those are the ones be very angel, very young. But we prefer Montoras to this country another step forward. When I can't talk to Mheshimiwa Kalonzo na very serikali for quite some time. So I keep talking serikali how he was pushing things. Tomo kombe na Matiang'i na miaka Matiang'i na very serikali how he has tried to improve anything within that SSM ya serikali. Pagenda tumubwati simuweka ngosemba ba Eugene Wamalwa bata president. So when I look at those presidential candidates from the alternative government, that's the opposition. I think in terms of competency, Matiang'i beats them all. So according to me, as a koewa at the event of corruption, I can trust on him. I can trust on him. I can trust on him. Ateve tutageti kungaineri usapa tebie pare nechero sutu abekire kibesoro. I can trust on him that what he says, he'll be able to do it. Yes, as a alternative government.
Yes.
I was a conya taliere na nago tebie. But tebie Kalonzo. We shall all go there. We shall all go there.
And support.
And we support. And we should support fully. Yes.
Ase amatukabu ngwiga twarorire chiburaburu sana chikoene kiwase misangirekano kero tugukwanira nene itari yaba ya gusi Daktari Matiang'i ekera korte itaro ya gucha seriro bali ya gusi gukwanira abantu ndorora chiburaburu chikoene kiwa tumetinga mheshimiwa, according to you, is that the best way to go una bananchi
Nakikwegu na watebia. According to me and my views.
Your view.
I was part and parcel y'abantu barwanire to gusubira the second reparation.
Okay.
I was part and parcel y'abantu barendete the new constitution ya 2010. So I will defend the right ya kila muntu okuru musangire kanoye without interference. Lakini nao tebiga. My next president yegocha next month.
Sure.
We welcome him fully because Gusii is part of Kenya. Whether we support Matiang'i or not, we support Otarawe president of Gusii. Igache akwane na supporters baye. True supporters baye na ntituba bekire pressure naki onyegi kali possible. E president ye karokwa mole ntai para nebe. Motebi ataroseri pa.
Para.
So to pressure pali tutaikumuikera pressure ite tuikera bali ba go support ya system ye. For example, wabunge na bagusia tu watu wao mheshimiwa Soro, mheshimiwa Sabet Nyakundi, mheshimiwa Sairi Chanda. Itimu kabiri hiyo. Wherever stoko baumera, batebi no iwete para frani te.
Terosigo.
Batebi ya torose. Tigache arue promise hiyo. Tumanye tete kolekana lakini tigache ara koleki. Tigache arue promise ili yakabere. Bali moko gendo mu onye tuli ko support. Please don't attend you mukutano ye ujugo washout against kiao kira against urasko na wakirwe. That's why nago temna uboboroburu bocho opposition te bwate the monopoly yo korenta chiguni asemisangrika the people bwate the monopoly nesereka ige krokora chiburaburu chikorento sumukutano bo opposition usekende manya serikali ne rini serikali na bego tebyo muntu geturi bago supportia koraigo batebyo abasigari rigere likando itukerio na kwale na ninje mochoge na watu mukutane town ya abasigari bago tugendo gembo genda asigeti irimo chikogera no mate na abasigari mbeyo bato tete mapema no enko abatebe ti bata wato tete mapema kwanyora in the process bintu byasare kire lakini ase serikali usase police iri independent emanyete nakaige buraburu ne bero la social private property ete kikwerende buraburu tubene tikaboro. Yeah, so we condemn it whether ge current no opposition or ge current ne serikali. So we condemn it.
Waniga mheshimiwa sai karato kuligereria etobwate ODM delegates conference waniga chaberibere tobwate Linda ground so gatwara Linda mwananchi timaitinga ayebuna mheshimiwa from where you are seated. What is your take on that?
Well, majority of us we started our politics under Ford.
Okay.
As students in 1991-92. Later, I was the first chairman Seitogaiga ya ODM.
Okay.
I was a great fan. Mheshimiwa marehemu Raila. We worked extremely close. Raila tuachakane tenere from 1994 keraisa asirete. So ukuruani ukua yeri bakuruana na mheshimiwa wa Marwa Inthika. I was there. All through. You have been with Raila. Karongo tena chikura chintanga ni usiang kolenta Raila usi. Aba usi bari kondutama na ki. Moyo watorentera. So at least we have a certain attachment as a ODM. I tuanyirwe torende sometime back around 2017. One karoto kunyiri ibintu bigendera toro. Asa now umuntu great from far. Abakora bintu bigokolekana ali bigokolekana bine serikali telimbi. And then nyore umheshimiwa the president na tebeti dia Raila asirire na tingwanchwa. I will not accept ODM against opposition.
Patigale serikali.
Nendere itaga chaga tebia. He mentioned it. Sifuna. Manya, I'm one of the founder members ja ODM. You go enda pole pole. Kienda haraka nitaita founder members tukufukuze. That's what is happening. So that tells you who is involved who is involved there samangana ODM. ODM was a big party.
Yes.
Yale kubwatira nayo kenyene. And they receive a presidential candidate. Now yale ko give the rest of the political parties a run for their money.
Sure.
But from the look of things, it's unfortunate. ODM enyene yewon mokuru ODM, you like it or not, ODM is part of ODM and part of UDA. Chikure jitoko and August, that's the end of ODM. You'll never hear about ODM again. It will just die.
Okay.
It will just die. Yeah, it will just die because no rochu na usia ya eli tiyo. Tiyo, bone usi takardiki.
Tiyo.
There are problems now ODM in Western. Waro jibaka bantu bandu abate Rusi sifuna Rusi so si. Forget about your ODM in Western. No roche kicho bagu kwana kurukosti babate na to tie dio running mate. We have done away with ODM. ODM will be finally oja kutikara Migori. Ose mabei na Kisumu. Mainsia ya might go away. Yeah. So literally it will be the end of ODM.
Okay.
As a party. Otherwise, so also kwenye buata babungi komi. And that is the end of the story. So we start writing the obituary of ODM.
Asa ngiyo kwa. Mheshimiwa, briefly turarigirira igoro ya development ya Kitutu Church South Asokoro. What can you say about amagendero a Kitutu Church South mune bunge ya gayo munyamukuru?
Yani there ebintu biro ebinge sana ubona do montara kwani gore ya Kitutu Church South.
Okay.
But for the time being, I'll prefer Kiria ebine.
Okay.
Of what's within about the vested interest here.
Sure.
There are things I might not speak now. But we bingu ja kukwani kakiye campaign. For the last 15 years, to about mubungu korokwa Onyonka. Ente na roche agokora. Roche rusi chiskuru ori birama. Obichenja. Obike different mabati. The same roads sharing under Kera, sharing under him. Sharing I never saw anything. Ekoroku in Magana Yera or something like that. Ekogera Muskuru Tamia and Tanganimbar with almost 50 kilometers Chichilami, Chich constituency Jericho. Unfortunately, as a to Church South in Church Kubwatiwa, they implemented. There are some places in Bonchari, Nyariwali, Wawasi, Masawa, Nindo, Chincha, what it work Akanake, so there could be some 30-40 kilometers of tarmac roads. One I got to go to Mishimo Kibagendi.
Yes.
You to go to Chikuri Chaira, is the current member of parliament. And again, Tanara Ravokora. Ono chiskuru chincha rusitwa mabati era ono answer go chikita kuri chain link ko some of the schools akolima some of the mugoroka chicho chicha bana you school. So that's what I've seen.
Okay.
And I've seen Karongo etabo usero mahatari anarore bohole mirari go sabu gincha. Iranda se itomata naro rase school area this a bohol nere mirror it was a school and the surrounding. But unfortunately in the Gikuru Kuchipara Chicha went to cover it as a kera was a kura was a kiano born the governor to work one there in a very bad shape. The Okuru get Tarega which Misho Arabi. That road is in a pathetic situation. Kerokuru abu Kanunda, aiga Nyamataro kogenda Kanunda ogenda Iranda, that road is in a bad state. Kerokuru nyatie kutirimuke Nyakoe, bari rigeri in a bad state. Kerokuru Nyakoe ogende Matongo, Bogekaria, that road is in a bad shape. kero kurua aidha mugikagati mabugeta bugikujo soke njire yange road is in a bad. I'm talking about chipara chiri chiakera. Jones Bay chiri in a bad shape.
Yes.
Icharo situ last year chari kubekwe maram chari kubekwe maram musindi ni sana. Ni embrego chuo cha wanzi
ya korora.
So literally ibina bina arolele. But in terms of representation, in terms of fighting for the people,
yes.
Why, say in terms of parliamentary whatever, my politics and the politics you Michumbo can almost be the same in terms of standing up for the people.
Yes.
What's good defend abantu in parliament, constituency yao, whatever psychovant. Whatever psychopath, engine kwangete koropo. I hate being a psychopath.
Okay.
So, umarengo here, my feelings, no muchumbe, the current member of parliament, we almost go together. Again, in terms of the road infrastructure on the ground, and amangana yes school ko gitera school echo, there are a lot of complaints in a school echo, man, they were go gitera shilingi million mbili chari ku milioni 6 milioni moja chari ku milioni. I have no evidence, but that's what I'm hearing yabantu bagukwa. But personally I cannot say about the specific evidence. So the scale of 1 to 10 Muchumbo na bankomo 5. So it's 50-50. Yes.
Thank you so much mwish ekerondo chinga ebiru bitu nigo bigendete gutumnyokia na boigondo chinga na bangi bagendete gutubwatia igalia sensemo yemitandao kurende ntarachi gwetira abo bagendete gutubwatia igalia sensemo yemitandao according to you mwish ekero tuguchugukora iga ekero kore siasa cha Kisii County usi siasa cha Gusii in general siasa echi ngo affectira magendero in any way use siasa echirikaro na magendera akabensemo
umubwekana na Obama. If I start my politics, I'm not in the county government, I'm not in the national government.
Sure.
How nakinda affect magendero?
Ngabota affect.
Tingo affect. Two, ayuria siasa tebu at this specific period, no, we can call between this time and this time, unless the official campaign. Ekero mubwekano igabane kuruga igeche gositote mubwekano nyatiko yaja koronjia match. You know that's politics.
Yes.
Takoba takwana siasa. Takoba tataba na ro siria machaya. Kujumondigereri biye ngakije chikura gego. Keweka. So according to me you two could separate mangana ya siasa na magendero. You can still do magendero because magendero uikalanza se wa plan. Wa primary and can implemented within the whole financial year. Yeah. And there figures you have no make sure na even the which cha tokire cha from the national treasury cha chire endo kiritwa vegetaske te para chitwa vegetaske da macha chitwa vegetaske te nyagitari chitwa vegetaske magioga chitwa vegetaske that technocrats who needs to implement even the so you can do both politics amagendera. So I don't think it's na affect.
Right. Ekrangurigeria igalia sensemo ya Facebook Philip Umusa agotebanga ile barabara ya daraja moja awayoni imilitinga ipali yitelingia naboigo Albert Okyoga agotebanga Ruth kwa kukamua hakuna drugs KTRH. Uliona juzi daktari alikufia KTRH juu ya ukosefu wa blood. Tena swali maziwa ya watoto ni amepewa na anatoka wapi? Yet ni Kisii County, we have an industry. Okay, asante sana. Good evening, salimia mheshimiwa. I'm Albert Okyoga kwa Nyambono PAG. Ukweli ni kwamba Simba yuko kwa tutam because uliona mikutano mingi ni tutam na ask mheshimiwa is it a must uwe kwa serikali ndio ukamue. Tena ni ukweli alileta tractors Kisii yet atuoni any imeandikwa namba ya county alafu all drivers are not from Kisii na mwaka kazi yote itaisha. Oyo no manchumu ligereria obiriga korwa e comment yo koranga okoranga na baruchinga amaine na baruchinga mangana tarababuya bunatakire koba kurende nabange bagenda tutubwatia asingi nchibiro ntogosoma chonsi kurende bali monsi mwabere mu gutubwatia na guturikira chi comment gale sensemo ya Facebook. Tunashukuru sana tokotebanga asante asingi nchonga no muri nabo igo mugenda tutubwatia. Mheshimiwa, are you vying for any seat now?
Nakiguna kwiguna Dave. Now then the campaigns is starting from August.
Okay.
Kubuli ando obubunge wa Kitutu Chache South.
Kwana n'abantu bago ba Kitutu Chache South ekero togochigo kolebaiga asegencho yebiro.
Minto abantu ba Kitutu Chache South. Mumanyete I'm currently the chairman ya Jubilee Kitutu Chache South. Number one on cover request means me register sesemo ya Jubilee. And for the presidential position to support you Mheshimiwa Dr. Fred Okengoma Matiang'i. So ujumbe I welcome abantu bonse batagete gocha guteno ujumbe wa Kitutu Chache South moje Jubilee togenda nominations, and I promise you the most popular candidate, not necessarily nche mojogesa inde chairman nche ndaye we ticket. No, whoever will be popular, whoever will vote the people or have a popular, I will ticket support. I request bali ba mndeto kupinga na barabo ukonyoa muchoge na ile ticket after to akolere nomination ya the genuine, the free and fair, mon support. Na inchi onko batebi onde gwensi ora ewe ora tora ende nomination ya the genuine, free and fair, and oko ewe ticket ya Jubilee, we shall support him. Bantu ba minto. Officially we are coming to the ground on from August. So from August this year tonjo kane ibichichi byonspi bire Kitutu Chache South, and I hope abantu baminto this time around mundigere na maisama ya
ebagare kurigere bobe.
So by saying na kiko na maisama ya meaning ina ki baba sutika na inche ngote pakandu ground ndarabo mu chumba Kitutu Chache South. It will be very embarrassing after abantu my colleagues once people Kenya bali tuachagete activism na barabo once pia abandi babera abachumbe babere gavana abandi babere minister. So the big question they keep on asking me, I engineer Muchoge, what is happening with people in Kisii? Unfortunately, we see a problem to actually what una piston na quality number 1 piston ya una kiere ne piston 6 year what was ni vero was ni renga. So back to understand some of us what we have undergone through, which can make this country to be what it is today. Yes.
Right, asante sana mwish. Tumaitinga onyukubwatinga na yende ntingo siekira asinge nchodo chinga chinsa chitu cha twerere ekero togo chukukora engambo yeli tukulia lero.
Noko bakwanya, noko batebi naki notore. Bono tore nchira. Kubeka tore mikakati on the ground. Lakini mwarancha bantu baminto mwezi maso ya Jubilee naende murancha karo maso ya Jubilee turamanyana na intukurusi tubwate one of our own utinena for the presidency goroka Dr. Fred Okengoma Matiang'i. So this is the first priority umusionde kwensi maini mind na togeta Kitutu Chache South muntu racho rumu Kitutu Chache South. Ebe ninche the current member of parliament roe bonde wens still yekero kile walk safe.
Sure.
Lakini bo president mbuli safe because twange ntochoro Okengoma Matiang'i abo karonsa akawa. Usena bondo kursa mwe siako karaki.
Akoba.
Endo seruto na bakwira So therefore it will be very necessary if aba Kenya na aba usini general mutagete a country ye change. Turaligeria abantu ni chimbu cyabo.
Right.
What are they able to do? One muntu takuja kurumu mustuni mato tevi naki I will change Kenya. And yet obere minister obere kiango gwachira kwa uri gasi hiyo tura change Kenya. Oseka ro kwa iru mubuka no like our current president kwa iru wasali kwa yeye.
Asante sana Mwish. Thank you so much for creating time watcha. Nande we welcome you again. We hope you'll come. Elio togendere gusanga mangi anene kurwa siasa. Ayagende tekwene kiwa kurwa siasa na baigunga yense ya Kenya rochi ekero tokuligereria gali sasa. Asante sana Sogocha na ya asante sana mwanchu muligeria sengi nchonga yubinda asengi nchu watu bwatirie yenda gutubwati na bugenda kubwati merubiri ito ya botambe ene ngambo ya getembe niko mwalinge na nchi Ruth Kemunto ekartwalenge nere engineer Justus Mochoge kwene kinga kwaira tuli amange ase siasa anane imeyeli robalia gusi wika ensi ya kenyingima. Thank you so much Mwesh. We welcome you again.
Mbiyamano muralia na njina akire mbiyamano for welcoming kwa ngali bageri.
Yes.
I don't take it for granted.
Thank you so much.
Exactly.
Karibu tena.
Mbiyamano, thanks.
Asante sana.
Mbiyamano.
Subscribe ase channel ya Gatembe TV.